Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. On this channel we talk about importation business, entrepreneurships, business opportunities, and how you can make money in Africa. If you're interested in starting or building your own business, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy phones on the Xianyu app. Kindly watch this video to the end if you don't want to miss out. My name is Xianyu App, and this is Business with SK. Let's get straight to the video. Firstly, click on the Xianyu app, and if you know you don't have an account, kindly go back to our previous videos and watch how to create and verify your account. So I want to buy iPhone 14 Pro. Go to the search bar and type iPhone 14 Pro. You see, after checking for the 14 Pro, many suppliers came up, and also be aware that there is a lot of scammers on this app. That's why we are organizing a tutorial section for people who wants to buy phones from this app, and also suppliers contacts will be given in our gadget importation class. Right now I will select the supplier I want to buy my 14 Pro from. And remember, most of the phones they sell here, like about 80% of them, are used phones. That's why most of their prices are very affordable. And you see where the circled part is. That's where you see the details of the phone, whether they change the battery percentage, whether they change the phone screen, everything you see there. And if you still want to know more about the phone, you can just go ahead and text the supplier. So to text the supplier, click on where the arrow is pointing at. From here, I'll text the supplier to know whether this phone is still available and negotiate with the price. And also, one thing you should know about this app is whenever you are buying anything from this app, make sure you ask for real pictures or videos from the supplier. So after asking every questions and everything you need to know about this phone and you're okay with it, you go ahead to confirm your order. From here, you go back to the supplier's interface to place your order. Now click on where the arrow is pointing at. This is where we are going to place our order. But before we can place our order, we need to check whether every details here is correct. We first need to check our shipping address, very important. Then we move on to check the number of pieces you want to buy. After that, we select the gig you want to buy. Now click on the location mark where we are going to check if our shipping address is okay. So with this side, if you want to add your new shipping address to this side, you just click on the plus button. This is where you can add your shipping mark. If you don't know how to do this, kindly go back to our previous video to learn how to add your shipping mark to this side. After confirming I'll be using this same shipping mark, I'll then go back. The next step is I'll then choose the gig I want, and we all know the number of gig you choose determines the price. You see, for 128 gig is 1,815 yuan and 256 gig is 2,099 yuan. I will then select 256 gig. The next step is I will choose the number of pieces I want, whether I want to buy 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. It's up to you. After confirming everything, you then click on order now. And also, as you are doing this, make sure your Alipay has been funded because you'll be using the Alipay account to make payments. So here is the total summary of your order. Go ahead and make payments. So with this part, it will direct you to your Alipay account to make payments. So if you are doing this process, make sure your Alipay app is on the same phone as the Xianyu app. Because of security reasons, I had to stop my screen recording. Yeah, so let me continue from there. After directing you to the Alipay, you enter your password. Then it will send you back the interface of the Xianyu app. So this is how you can order on the Xianyu app. If you want more details on this app, how to create an account, how to source for legit suppliers, how to make payments, and how to add your shipping mark and many others, don't forget to DM us to secure your spot now. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell below, and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And also, limited slots available for those who want to participate in our gadget importation class. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.